Hi, I'm Doctor Christina. I'm a house call veterinarian. But today we're on the road helping people with their pet hair problems.
Hi, Dr. Christina.
Hey, Andy. Hey, Al. Hey, guys.
So the white one is Al, and this is Sunny.
Hi, Sunny. You both look so happy today, huh? So happy and so hairy.
All right, you want to come inside? We'll have a look.
Let's do it. Today, we're here to really talk about your pet hair problems.
Yes, and there is a pet hair problem that I have. This one, his coat is like these little white toothpicks, and they stick to everything. I mean, I find them at my desk at work. I'll see them in my parents' house. There's hair in all the blankets and the sheets, and you know, it's everywhere. I actually have 2 Roombas, one upstairs and one downstairs, that run every day.
Oh my goodness.
And every day I get a big clump of white hair on it.
Well, Andy, we're gonna help you out today.
Nice.
We're gonna take this blanket and comforter and
All
we're
right.
gonna go to the Speed Queen lab and we're gonna help with the pet hair problems.
Take them away. They're yours if you want to take them.
Well, Sunny, can we borrow your blankets for a little bit? They'll come back smelling really good. Yes. Ooh, this is a nice furry blanket. Time to get washing.
Yeah, have fun with that.
We've got some really hairy blankets in here. Time to go to the Speed Queen lab. Hey, Kevin.
Hi, Dr. Christina. What do you have for me?
We have some laundry from Andy's pets, and I could smell them in my car the whole way here.
I am so excited.
Awesome, let's do it.
We're gonna put them in the dryer first. There is a pet hair remover cycle. It's big blankets, and they do smell like dog, don't they?
So now the blankets are here in the dryer, and we're gonna see how much hair we get off of them.
All right, well, it looks like we're done with this cycle.
Let's see what's in here.
See what's in there.
Ooh, it looks like there's some good hair in here. Oh boy. That is a lot of hair.
That is a lot of hair, and that's all hair that is not going to go into your washer. And we'll see what it does. And then we'll get started. All right, now that we're done washing, we're going to just take our blankets out and we're going to put them into the dryer into our pet items cycle, and we're going to dry our load.
It's amazing how much better it smells.
It smells a lot better already. Now we'll select the pet items and we're just going to start.
Whoa!
That's after drying, washing, and then drying again.
Speed Queen to the rescue. Well, Andy, we have your blankets back from the Speed Queen lab.
Nice, I can't wait to see them.
Let's take a look. Ooh, it looks like Al is ready to check it out here.
It even smells good too. So guys, it's all ready for you to get your hair all over it again. Yes. Well, Dr. Christina, I want to thank you for coming by. Normally, when I bring my dogs to you, it's for shots and things like that, but I've never had a veterinarian do their dog blankets before, so I really appreciate it.
All right, great seeing you.
All right,
Bye. Bye, pups. We'll see you both later. Healthy pets and clean, good-smelling bedding. That's positively wonderful